Good morning. I'd like to welcome you to Uncle Al's Country Kitchen. And this morning I'm making a delicious, nutritious breakfast using my microgreens and some other healthy ingredients and some not so healthy. We start with the eggs. Whipped up 2 eggs. We have sunflowers, about a cup, and peas, about a cup. Then we have the mushrooms, a chili pepper, white onion, pinto beans, a little leftover hash brown, and some other hash browns cooking in another pan right now. So this is very simple. What we're going to do is add the potatoes, like so, a little bit of beans, not too many. They're good for fiber. We're going to add the mushrooms, chili pepper, and onion. Just like that. And we're going to wait a little while before we put the microgreens in so they don't overcook. Okay, it looks like we're ready to add the microgreens to our mix here. Put in the peas and the sunflowers. Very tasty, by the way. They're sweet and really good. And we'll stir it up a little bit. It's on low heat, by the way. We don't want to overcook anything here. And I'm going to add my egg mixture right now. The eggs go in, like so. That was 2 eggs. And finally, a side of hash browns I cooked up. Let's see if I can. Just for a little extra flavor. That's about a 1/4 cup of hash browns. And what we'll do is we're going to cover this for about 5 minutes. And I will show you how it turns out. Okay, my brunch is finished, and it looks like a lot, but remember, you could skip lunch. I'm eating this about 11 o'clock, first meal of the day, and it'll fill you up. It's nutritious, it's got fiber, protein, and it really tastes good. So I hope you enjoyed the tips I gave you for creating your own country breakfast. Ciao.